everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we will study L sound words. L alphabet forms L sound. Words starting with L, ending with double L and LE make sound of L. For example, L in the first place words are lion. L in the middle place words are climb, slate. Double L in the last, the words are still bell. Words ending with LE stole and pole. So let's start today's video. Read along with me. Lion lion, lamp lamp, lemon lemon, leaf leaf, ball ball, table table, school school, fool, milk milk, wolk wolf, clap, clock clock, doll, girl, bell, nail, seal, candle, whale, purple, lake, legs, lunch, love, sleep, plane, glass, plate, late, lid, lock, log, olive, polar, ruler, lamb, long, laugh, land, last,